viewers, Breaking News is back in between your activities. With me, Dede Habibah Azzahra, who will provide the latest and most up-to-date news. At least 25 people have died in the Los Angeles fires as two mayors' blazes continue to burn across the sprawling U.S. city. Firefighters made a protest over the weekend in containing the Palisades and Eaton fires, but warned that the return of high winds forecast until Wednesday could see these two spread again or fuel new ones. The fires are already among the most destructive in LA's history, when measured by the number of buildings destroyed. Rebuilding work will cost tens of billions of dollars, U.S. President Joe Biden has said. Was the latest, an area to the northwest of the city center is described by officials as particularly dangerous. A red flag warning indicating a high level of fire danger is in place until 18 or 2 GMT on Wednesday, with the strongest Santa Ana winds expected on Tuesday. Nearby, the largest fire is in the Palisades area and has burned through more than 23,000 acres. It is still only about 14% contained, despite the efforts of thousands of firefighters. The blaze is moving east, threatening the exclusive neighborhood of Brentwood, home to the Getty Center, a world-famous art museum that has evacuated its staff. Another fire, Eaton, is more deadly than Palisades so far, responsible for 16 of the deaths. The overall destruction is immense, with more than 12,000 structures, homes, outbuildings, seats, mobile homes, and cars destroyed. Celebrities Mel Gibson and Paris Hilton are among those who have lost their home. Tens of thousands of homes are also without power. The fire currently turned out to be the costliest in U.S. history, with damage projected at up to $150 billion, according to a preliminary estimate by AccuWeather. That's the news this time. I am Dede Habibah Azzahra. Please leave your presence. Thank you and goodbye. See you.